activism umambo ngolo after kwawilo moyo ndizimene mwina zikuchitika uteka mwina temiaja afuna ayambe activism. Anyway, welcome. Activism so limbila certificate the 20 moving akutia.
Ineyo I'm not a politician. Sina ndali. Kuma kukubwera ukutsogoloko za join ndali. Ineyo president mwini mampatsoli mmoyo mwanga ndi bingu guys. Pano beti samana mizane guys. Mburi samopyezani. Kuri samaya nkule guys pano zenu siziwenda zinto guys. Olo pano bana mbira anasiya kuti when I grow up I want to be a nurse. When I grow up I want to be a police. Anambira anasiya. You know why anambira anasiya? When they look at my life ama nesi wo amabo ubeza nesi akukhala nyumba yoti yosalongosoka. Polisi akukhala nyumba yoti yosalongosoka. Koma antungara amene wawa they were supposed to have a good life. Guys, manesi ya police, ma doctors, antu awawa ndi antu amene amafunika adzikhala adziyembekezeredwa pakumalayo kuno because they are helping a lot of people. I know it's a job but they are helping this country as well. Kumabiza masali ya antu very low ziluzungo dula, and when someone is trying to say the bad things somewezi kuchitiko Malawi basi akumanga amalawa mbili mapanga manta. You don't even know your rights as a Malawian citizen. You don't even know. Oh my goodness, it's very sad, woman. Don't say so. Just because you are suffering, it doesn't mean you should blame the government for your suffering. Koma now when it comes to zindu guys, in your guys, one day, I know it's not easy, but one day, I'm gonna study everything. We are not stuck. Second, we are who depends. The mere just so what, right? See, not so what? But journalists of the police said, whenever we could have a ticket. Guys.